You've probably seen this plant 100 times, but do you really know how powerful it is? Today, we're going to uncover a skincare secret that's been hiding in plain sight for, well, millennia.
I mean, just think about it. What if one simple, humble plant could soothe a painful sunburn, moisturize your skin without that greasy feeling, and even help fight acne and the signs of aging?
Well, that plant is aloe vera. And in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly why this succulent is a true skincare superstar, a remedy that has absolutely stood the test of time. So what exactly is this humble power plant? Let's look past those spiky green leaves for a second to really understand what makes it so special. Okay, so aloe vera is a succulent, which basically just means it's designed to store a ton of water. Inside its leaves is this amazing gel-like substance that people have been using for thousands of years. Seriously, we're talking ancient Egyptians using it to treat wounds, cuts, and burns. And get this, that clear, gooey gel inside the leaves, it is about 95% water. This incredible water content is the real key to its power as a natural moisturizer. It's pretty much nature's ultimate hydrator, all packed into a single leaf. All right, now for the main event. We're going to unpack the 5 core benefits. They're really superpowers that make aloe vera an essential for just about any skincare routine out there. So here's our game plan. We're talking sunburn relief, wound healing, incredible moisturization, anti-aging effects, and even acne reduction. Let's dive into each one. First up, sunburn. Ugh, we've all been there, right? That cooling sensation when you put on aloe gel isn't just in your head. The plant has this compound called alone, and it has seriously powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It's actually been shown to help repair skin and even reverse some of that UV damage. Second, it is a fantastic healer. For minor cuts and burns, aloe vera doesn't just soothe, it actively speeds up the repair process. It does this by boosting the production of collagen, that protein that's absolutely essential for rebuilding skin. It literally helps wounds close up much faster. Okay, superpower number 3, moisturizing. Aloe is what's known as a humectant, and all that means is it doesn't just sit on top of your skin. It actually pulls moisture from the air into your skin and then locks it there for lasting hydration. And this is what makes it so different from a lot of traditional moisturizers. Those can feel heavy, greasy, or create that weird sticky film if you use too much. Aloe vera, on the other hand, is so lightweight you can't really overdo it. It just sinks right in and hydrates. Benefit number 4 is its anti-aging ability. It is packed with this amazing cocktail of antioxidants. We're talking vitamins A, C, and E. These fight off damage from free radicals, they boost that all-important collagen to help with wrinkles, and they can even help fade blemishes and dark spots over time. And finally, number 5, it is fantastic for acne. And this is a big one. So many people with acne struggle to find a moisturizer that doesn't just make things worse. While aloe vera doesn't clog your pores, and it even has these mild antiseptic properties to help clean them out and reduce infection. So you're sold on the benefits. The next logical question is, how do you actually use it? Let's look at how to build it into a simple, effective routine. It is surprisingly easy to add. After you cleanse and apply your active ingredients like serums, you just apply the aloe vera. Think of it like a seal, locking in the products underneath while adding its own layer of hydration. If it's morning, just let it sink in for a few minutes, then finish with sunscreen. Simple as that. Now, while it's great for so many people, let's get specific. Who stands to benefit the most from adding aloe vera to their daily skincare? Well, if you have acne-prone skin, it moisturizes without clogging pores, a total game changer. For sensitive skin or eczema, its gentle properties can really help reduce dryness and irritation. And if you just have plain old dry skin, it's a perfect hydration locker, especially when you layer it over other products. And it doesn't even stop there. The versatility is amazing. Because it's not oily, it makes a great base for makeup. If you have a serum that feels a little too intense, you can mix it with aloe to dilute it. Oh, and it's a perfect soothing gel to use after shaving. So when you put it all together, what's the big picture here? Aloe vera isn't just some trend. It's a foundational skincare ingredient that's simple, effective, and just incredibly versatile. It all comes down to this really simple piece of advice. If you're ever overwhelmed by all the products out there and you just don't know where to start, just stick with aloe vera. It's a safe, effective, and reliable choice for almost everyone. So I'll leave you with this question to think about. In a world that is just full of complex formulas and expensive products, could this simple, time-tested solution you've been looking for be this ancient plant?